Right. All right. Powdered peptide. Powder at the bottom, your backwater. Now take your cap off of one, and you're going to take your cap off the other. These go in the trash. They can't go back on. So we got our two things that we got to put together. These are your lure lock, your needle, and your syringe. Orange screws right onto that. Twist it. Now we're ready to use that. Now, for most of your peptides, you're going to reconstitute it with 2 mLs of backwater. So 2 mLs of this have got to go in this. So we use this syringe to do it. Pull back your safety lock. Pull off your cap. Pull this back because I'm gonna pull up 2 mLs of that. I want to pull back 2 mLs of air. Okay. Always want to wipe down, even though they were already sterile. I always like to wipe them down. All right. So now I'm just going to stick this in the middle of the plunger. Inject my 2 mLs of air. Flip it over. And we're going to pull back. This is okay, you can do this fast because it's just backwater. So I'm going to push it back up to right at 2. So now I have 2 mLs of back. Pulling this up. Now, this is the part you want to be careful about. Powders are fragile. So I'm going to inject this in here. I'm going to go a little bit at an angle because I want my needle, when it goes in, I want to point it towards the wall. I don't want to put it down and put a lot of pressure on the powder because I don't want to create like a cyclone in there. So I'm just going to bring my needle up towards the jar side and I'm going to push this in gradually. And you can be able to see as I'm pushing this in, you'll start seeing the powder just dissolve. Literally when it starts hitting it, it'll start dissolving. Right? No more powder, just liquid. Now, just so you know, this is a safety mechanism. Once I push this up, I cannot get this back down. So make sure you don't, if you need to recap it for some reason, use your cap. But this is meant so you don't have to throw it in a sharps container. So once that's popped up, I cannot move it back again. This goes in the trash now. This is clear, but if you do want to swirl it, you can gently swirl it, or you can put it in between your palms and roll it like this, just slightly. You never want to shake or agitate your peptide. Now, what I've given you, since you can't put the safety caps back on, is I send you with these little safety caps. Now, this goes in the fridge until you use it on yourself. And this is your backwater. And this goes in the fridge until you use it. And that's it, reconstituted.